Hey YouTube, hey Georgia Bigfoot here. Just some preliminary observations about my 60/40 seat I just purchased. As y'all know, this is sort of the holy grail of front seat arrangements for the 95 to 98 Suburban GMT 400s. And I got this for $100 from a junkyard in North Atlanta. And they included the seat belts too. And I mean, is it perfect? No, it's not. But for $100, as y'all know, that's a great price. And they included the panel, and it's electric. And here's why I'm getting this. I'm getting this because I'm a big guy. I'm Georgia Bigfoot. I've got big feet. I'm 6'7". And the captain's chairs, while everyone says, oh, you want the captain's chairs armrest doesn't sit as high as the armrest when folded on these. So we're going to measure them. So measured from the seat, like the seat back to the top of this, right there. It's right at 10 inches. So when you got your button here and you got your arm on the armrest, you know, the problem with us big people is the armrest on the fold down is tucked in real tight. You know, it's going to be about right here, whereas this gives you more elbow room and it's higher. So this is 10 inch. And let's go over here. No one's made a video about this on YouTube I've ever seen, so I wanted to make it. So back of the seat, see right here, to the height of the armrest, and it is 7.5 inches. 7.5 inches versus 10 inches. That's quite a big difference, isn't it? I mean, whenever I sit in this thing, and I love this truck, you know, my arm, if I pull this down, it's tucked in real close to me when I'm driving. And I always want to like hold it down here, but then I'm like all cockeyed. Many times I drive with this up and I have my hand sort of here, or my hand obviously on the steering wheel, but it's, for me, it's too low. At 6'7" tall, it's too low and too close. So I'm hoping, and I'll do in a separate video on how I get this thing installed. It's my understanding that after doing some measuring, the bolts are going to line up here, but I may have to drill 2 bolts for this other side right here on the bottom. We'll tilt this guy back for this part here and here. It's got the electrics. There's some crazing in the leather right here. I may get one of those replacement tops, but as I got a lot of things on YouTube that should be mentioned, this little factory one is kind of cute. A little notepad, a little spot to hold your pen. This little plastic right here is cracked, but I will likely replace this, but I may want to keep it, you know. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. Let's do some other quick measurements real quick, just so we've got them, because I'm sure people will want to know. I mean, I want to know. So the width of the back of the seat, let's say right here, of course it's kind of pooched out on the side here, so that maybe it looks like it's 22 inches. And then on this guy over here, it's 22 inches. And that is, see, 22, that's to the middle of the armrest. And on this one over here, see, so this right here is the middle of that armrest, which means the armrest, if you were comparing, it's going to come to about right here, which that's real. That's just not enough. It's not enough. I realize it's hard to find these seats. Y'all may have difficulty finding them. This one was in good shape, especially for the price. The hinges are good. A little dusty inside, not a big deal. Anyway, I wish y'all well in your quest to find one of these. Thanks for watching.